Gwapo ka. Siguro nag-workout to, no? Laki ng braso. Pero, tandaan mo, gusto niya matigas na eggs. Gusto niya yung coffee na black. Walang cream, walang sugar. And promise me one thing, brother. If ever nag-work kayo, every morning you wake up, I want you to look at her and remind her how beautiful she is every morning. She really is. And I wish you the best.
Thank you, Nico. But don't forget, He is the way, the truth, and the life.
Thank you, Vice. Thank you.
Don't forget that. Oh. Jesus, maaari mo nang tabihan si Christine.
As I sink in the sand,
Christine,
watch
meet
slip
Jesus.
through my hands. Oh, as I die here another day. 'Cause all I
Naway malihis
do
ang
is
puso
cry
mula sa lumbay at manatili ang pag-ibig sa bawat pinto ng buhay. This is especially for you. Magbabalik pa ang showtime.
all this world could give. And I told you when you left me, there's nothing to forgive. But I